Ever can't buy beer?
You can give him money to buy a beer himself. Oh wait, Fred can't buy beer, right?
Get up, Tail.
Yes, Mike!
Get up.
Yes, Mikey!
Yeah, right to the back.
The hooks. Go, Tail.
Roll. Yeah.
Good.
His hips. Yes. Bring it in the back. Pass again. Pass again.
Two grips. Mateo, you need 2 grips all the time.
Ready?
Yeah, let's pass again, Mike. Get rid of those grips. Get rid of that spider. Sits up, you know what to do. Keep bringing your knee through.
Drive.
You know what to do. Drive. Kick.
Nice, Mike! Yes, Mikey. High game.
Go, Tail.
I know it.
Come on.
Go, Mateo.
Come on, Mikey! Us! Nice, Mike. Solid, Mike.
Go, Tail.
Hooks. Yes.
Yes, Mike.
Yeah, you got your points.
Solid.
It's 0 to 6.
Come on, Mike, pass. There you go.
Yes, Mateo! Yes!
Yeah.
Hey.
Go left, take it up! Go left, take it back! It's gonna be playing this game all day, Mateo! Go!
Ever, he's shouting louder than you are.
Solid coaching. Don't stop. Do your thing, right? Got all embarrassed because everyone laughed at him.
Come on, Mateo!
That's it.
He doesn't get embarrassed.
That's it.
Come on, Mateo!
Antonio Killer.
I missed that.
He said Luch. Like, hurry up, you're stalling, you're taking too long.
Let's go, Mike. Keep it up. Keep up the pace, Mike.
Come on, Tail. Come on.
2 minutes and 40 seconds. Keep up the pace.
Be first.
9-0.
Two something, I think 220 it says.
Come on, Mateo!
11 zip, Mike.
Don't accept
Good for this finish. Yeah.
Don't accept
To the back. Yeah, take that arm. Switch to that Kimura. back.
Nice.
Yeah, Mikey. That was nice.
Killer.
That was very nice.
It is a killer.